Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming hardware and credentials so nothing blocks DHCP. Open Zorin settings and go straight to network. Enable Wi-Fi or plug the Ethernet cable. You choose the SSID from the list and enter the password when prompted. Once done, the system requests an IP from the router via DHCP. This is why drivers and firmware matter. If you see connecting, wait. If not, make sure the adapter is enabled and not hard switched off on the laptop. If the network fails, check additional drivers in software and updates and install proprietary drivers for Broadcom or Realtek. That resolves most adapter issues. Once drivers are in place, restart Network Manager or reboot. For servers or fixed devices, open the network's IP4 settings and choose Manual to add IP, gateway, and netmask. Set DNS to Google or your preferred resolver. Make sure Network Manager is managing the interface so routes and DNS propagate. Otherwise, add entries manually and restart the service. To finish, verify connectivity by pinging 888 and loading a web page. This confirms DNS and routing. Enable Network Manager at startup if it was disabled and reboot to ensure persistence. If problems persist, one key troubleshooting step is to check rfkill for hardware soft/hard blocks and inspect logs with journoctl Network Manager and dmesk for driver errors. Those logs tell you whether firmware, blocked radios, or kernel modules are the root cause. Fix the identified issue, then reconnect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.